Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Carousel Wreath. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the bell line as usual. Come over, put in a fold, bring it over to the center, come up and over like this. We're going to come down and around and up and over like this. Do a wreath. I'm going to come down through like this. Then I'm going to leave it kind of looped like that. Then I'm going to do another wreath. I'm going to kind of leave it back like this. And again, it's kind of looped. Then I'll do another wreath and go in through this like here. And then bring it up through here like this. So there you have the carousel. Again, remember, own your own style, my friends. You're fearfully, wonderfully made. Check out this picture on Instagram at Simmonsessentials. Let me put my buttons down here. And let me kind of spread this out a bit. So that's where you have it. Peace and God bless.